Hey guys, are you want to buy best car wash mitts? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car wash mitts that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Aidea Car Wash Mitt. The Aidea Car Wash Mitts offer an exceptional car cleaning experience with their dual-sided microfiber design, ensuring a lint-free, scratch-free finish. The gentle, plush fibers glide smoothly over paintwork, leaving a polished surface without causing any damage. Their extra-thick, high-density strands hold ample water and soap, making washing faster and more efficient. Designed to fit all hand sizes, the double-stitched elastic cuff ensures the mitt stays securely in place, preventing slipping or accidental submersion in the bucket. Highly durable and reusable, these mitts are machine washable and maintain their softness and absorbency even after hundreds of washes. Beyond cars, they are versatile enough for trucks, motorcycles, boats, and household surfaces, including mirrors and windows. Combining premium quality, ease of use, and versatility, the Aidea Car Wash Mitt is a reliable tool for anyone seeking a thorough, safe, and convenient cleaning solution. Now our second product is Chemical Guys Car Wash Mitt. The Chemical Guys Chenille Car Wash Mitt delivers a professional-grade cleaning experience, combining gentle care for paint with tough dirt removal. Crafted from a premium 70-30 blended microfiber, every fiber acts like tiny Velcro hooks, trapping dirt and debris deep within the pile, preventing scratches and swirls. Its extra plush design holds a massive amount of water and soap, creating thick, foamy suds that make washing cars, trucks, and SUVs effortless. The large, dense mitt lubricates surfaces effectively, protecting sensitive paint, glass, polished metals, and plastics from abrasive particles. Highly durable and reusable, it can be machine washed alongside microfiber towels, maintaining softness and plushness for years of scratch-free detailing. Trusted by both beginners and professionals, Chemical Guys offers not only top-tier car care tools but also expert support and guidance. This mitt is a must-have for anyone serious about safe, efficient, and high-quality car washing. Our third product is Hitjoy Handle Car Wash Mop Mitt. The 6-in-1 car wash brush kit is a complete solution for car enthusiasts seeking efficiency and versatility. Featuring a 62-inch extendable handle with 180 degrees rotation, it effortlessly reaches hard-to-access areas on cars, trucks, buses, and boats. The kit includes a multi-purpose chenille microfiber duster that removes dust and pollen without leaving lint, suitable for vehicles and home surfaces alike. Its windshield squeegee with a soft rubber blade ensures streak-free windows, mirrors, and glass, while the durable nylon sponge guarantees thorough cleaning. The absorbent microfiber towels and gloves are gentle on surfaces, perfect for buffing, waxing, or wiping interiors and exteriors without scratches. This 11-piece kit also includes aluminum poles, microfiber mitts, and gloves, offering everything needed for a complete wash. All microfiber components are machine washable, ensuring long-term usability. Combining convenience, versatility, and professional-grade cleaning, this kit makes car care quick, thorough, and enjoyable. Now number 4, the Rad Company Ultra Wash Mitts. The Rad Company Cyclone Ultra Wash Mitts deliver professional-grade car care at an exceptional value. Crafted from a premium 70-30 microfiber blend, these mitts offer superior softness and absorbency, holding a generous amount of suds for efficient, scratch-free washing. Each mitt contains hundreds of thousands of AA-grade split fibers, ensuring that dirt and road grime are safely encapsulated and lifted away without damaging paintwork. Designed for both performance and longevity, the Cyclone Ultra Wash Mitts are durable and built to last, providing reliable service through multiple washes when properly cared for. Offering twice the value at half the cost of leading competitors, they combine quality, efficiency, and affordability. Trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike, Rad Company continues its legacy as America's premier car detailing brand since 1999, delivering tools that make car washing safer, faster, and more satisfying. And our last choice is Meguiar's X3002 Microfiber Wash Mitt. The Meguiar's Microfiber Car Wash Mitt offers a premium washing experience that combines superior absorbency with gentle care. Made from soft, lint-free microfiber, it holds plenty of suds, making washes faster, safer, and leaving a showroom-quality shine every time. Its fibers effectively lift and trap dirt and grime, ensuring a swirl-free finish that's safe on all types of paint, perfect for both daily cleaning and show car detailing. Measuring 8 inches by 10 inches, the mitt is machine washable and reusable, so each wash starts fresh without leftover dirt. Designed for use with quality soaps like Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo, it provides a thorough, polished clean that enhances the car's appearance. Made in the USA, this mitt delivers durability, performance, and convenience, making it an essential tool for car enthusiasts seeking a flawless, professional-grade wash at home. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.